Good morning. I am Dr. VijayaRamnath, Professor and Head of Department, Sri Sai Engineering College Mechanical Department. I took today Engineering Graphics and Design subject as a NPTEL course. So when I went through the course content and everything, this was very nicely prepared. And even though I handled the subject more than 25 times, that the questions were make us to realize what actually we have to do for the engineering students in order to understand the better understanding. Because nowadays industries are asking these types of questions only for the students. So we can change our method of teaching on par with the requirement of the industry when we usually come across these type of examination. More time consuming is a, it's a problem. And initially, if they mention the total number of problems, then we can easily segregate and allocate the time for doing this work. Except this, the course was very nice and really we experienced a lot of things when we went through the course. Also, we are motivating our faculty members. Our faculty, more than 90% of faculty members of Sai Engineering College writing this exam. Friday, Saturday, and today also they are taking. More than 2,000 students of Sai Engineering College are also taking this exam. It is a very good initiative from NPTEL. Congrats and best wishes. So education is a continuous learning process, sir. So we can't stop. We can't term it is a end one. So still we are going to retire. Okay. So even though my professor is doing publishing lot of papers, even he crosses 65 years as old because we usually come across this learning is a continuous process. Nothing end for learning. As I told earlier, it gives a lot of insight how best we have to enhance ourselves to teach the students to meet the requirement of the industry. Normally, because I authored books on engineering graphics in the year 2006 itself, I authored 48 books in mechanical engineering. I authored a book on engineering graphics also, which comes around 1,200 pages. But when I went through the question paper, the question paper was very nicely coined as per the requirement of the industry. So industries are expecting this type of questions from the students. Instead of making the student to solve the problem, we have to make the students to realize what is actually required for the industry. Because, for example, with the subject third angle, first angle projection, in the academic side, we are using only first angle projection. Industry side, they are using third angle projection. So, more than 60% of the question came from third angle projection. Now, the students will ask the question, so how we have to solve the problem with the third angle projection? Because since we are sticking with the academic point of view, we normally following only the first angle projection. Uh, fa- uh, it come out of syllabus. So we are seeing from outside. So it actually give the insight and the overview how best we have to see from the outside and what are the requirement for the students to meet the at the end after completion of the course everyone want job only. Okay. So if we prepare the students based on the requirement of the industry, then their ultimate aim will be get published. It is a requirement of the students as well as the parent as well as the faculty member. Anything, sir?